So let's take a look at the August goodies from Elle's Studio. First, we're going to start out with the exclusive monthly kit. Okay, so the kit this month has a really amazing color scheme, you guys. It's red coral, which is a new addition, that bright golden yellow, light blue, purple. So pretty. You also have that kind of cerulean blue in there as well. So here's a 4" by 6" tag. That's one of my favorite ones this month. And then you have a details tag. Perfect for filling in lots of journaling. You also have the here and now blue tag. So those are the three 4" by 6" tags this month. Next up, we have the 3" by 4" tags. Super gorgeous colors here. Love that wonderful tag. I love these little shipping tags on that one tag. Finding joy in the simple things. A really beautiful multicolored tag. There's a few purple ones in here, but you guys, it's growing on me. Purple is growing on me. I never thought I'd say that. This one's one of my favorites. I love those flowers, and this multicolor stripe is perfect. There's definitely a celebratory kind of feel on this one, and sort of a school theme, but doesn't have to be. What I learned today can be, anybody can learn something in a day. Yay, you did it. I love that this is my favorite tag, and I love this documented tag. So lots of multicolor ones in this kit, you guys. They're so pretty, all put together. Here are the August label stickers and the little photo flag stickers. As usual, they coordinate with the kit contents. We also have purple puffy alphabet stickers. I used them this month. Can you believe it? Here we have the ABC wood veneer. This is about a 4" by 6" piece, so it would fit perfectly in a pocket that size or on a layout as part of layering. This is another wood veneer this month. This is called the Happy Moments Wood Veneer Circles. You can see how cute these designs are. I love the fork and knife crisscrossed there. How cool are these? These are the Go Team wood veneer flags. There's 2 of them that are blank so that you can, add stickers or whatever you want to them. And then 4 that have phrases on them. This is the Love This acrylic. Super fun. I could definitely see myself backing that with pattern paper. Back to School acrylic. And then we have the Good Job stamp. There you see that shipping tag there. There's a place to add journaling. There's some phrases, what I learned today again. So awesome. Remember this. And then the Good Job circle, which I like. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited about this addition to the shop this month. These are the Celebrate Journaling tags. And I definitely need some of these in my life. I love the colors. I love the patterns. Look how fun these are. Now these were created along with In a Creative Bubble. And I love her graphic style. I love that cake. I love the fonts. I love the little stars. Just everything about these is pretty much perfect. So those are the Celebrate journaling tags. And then we have the Celebrate stamp, which has an awesome balloon on it, some awesome banners, words, phrases. I love the tassel. It's just pretty awesome, you guys. So there you have it. This is the amazing August 2018 kit from Elle Studio. Be sure to grab this via the affiliate link in my video notes. If you're not a subscriber, you have to get the kit today on the 10th to lock in that $9.99 price, or you can just hit subscribe. from the website so that you can get that price every month and not have to worry about buying it on the 10th. These are the awesome add-ons this month. Lots of wood veneer, purple puffy alphabet stickers, and those amazing Celebrate stamps and journaling tags. So be sure to check everything out in the LA Studio shop via my affiliate link today. Thanks so much for watching and happy creating!